All right, everybody. Let's see what the week is bringing us. First, let's start off with Trump's stock. I mean, Trump got shot last week or Saturday. So, I mean, of course, he is a thug now. He should get some good upside. So, looking at that stock, if we're looking at the week of it, it's already gapped up over last week's low or high. So I would be looking for DJT to break, and it's already kind of broken. So we're going for $50 calls for the 19th. I'm very bullish on this stock due to Trump being a thug now. And that was a joke. That was a joke. But let's play to it. It's a perfect setup. It broke the downtrend if we're looking at it from here to here, and it is clearly now bullish. So calls for DJT, $50 calls for Friday. All right. Next one, I like calls. 187.50 calls for Friday. Not really big on the weeklies, but let's get our money, get in and get out. So AMD, bullish on AMD. Once again, nice at it is or the downtrend. Perfect. Is going to once it moves. Well, we won't have a moment of silence. Tesla, I'm looking at Tesla calls. Tesla does have earnings coming up, but it is approaching last week's high. So look for 270 calls for Friday. Yes, they are a little bit pricey, but I mean, let's get our money and get out. Don't worry about price sometimes. Worry about a solid setup, solid trade, and let it pay you. So Tesla calls, 270 calls for Friday. Next, we've got gold. I've been wanting gold and liking gold for over a week now. Gold was called out in our Discord. Here is a new gold setup. Gold is clearly been in an uptrend, has set new highs. And I like the 240s for September. Give yourself a little bit of time on that. They are very affordable at this point. They're at $158. So, I mean, September, $158, you can kind of sit on those and allow them to do what they do. If I was looking to buy more of gold, I'd be looking towards the end of the day. Maybe I can get that 158 down to maybe 130. But I like gold calls. So overall, I am bullish on all four stocks that I've called out today. Let's see if we can find one more. All right. Found one more. TTD. TTD. What do I like with TTD? Let's chart it. So we're looking at the weekly. Weekly, we always go to last candle, not the week we're in. So if we're looking at this candle is the week we're in. This is things that should be done on a Sunday. This is the week we're in. So if we were doing this Sunday, we should have been charting on this candle here. We're going to take our line. Top of the candle, bottom of the candle. This is setting up. They also have earnings. So, being that they do have earnings, I'd be looking at some September calls. Here is my call for September. September calls are going to be the 120 calls for September. As of right now, as this video is taping, they are at 206. So, of course, look to get them under 206. Now, these are just Queen Flex's ideas. Take them if you want, make some money, comment in the video that you've made some money. But this is just for entertainment purposes. I'm just giving out my theses of plays that I like, what I'm looking at what is setting up and what I plan to make money on. This are the plays. So as of right now, we have TTD, DJT, AMD, Tesla, and GLD Gold. These are the trades I am looking at for this week. Let's make some money. And if you make some money, comment below. Helps out the channel. Thank you.